One of the best ways to grow a high-ticket dropshipping business is through affiliate marketing. Now, you might be thinking I'm talking about doing affiliate marketing yourself. I'm not. I'm talking about creating an affiliate program. So with high-ticket dropshipping, having getting traffic is very difficult in the beginning. You have to try to get approved with Google Merchant Center, just run Google Shopping ads, and they're suspending every new store now. With Microsoft Shopping, the traffic is hit or miss, not very targeted anymore, sadly. So one of the best ways you can actually grow your business is two ways: with SEO and having an affiliate program. Because SEO optimizing your store is kind of the first step. It's the foundation for everything, making sure it loads fast, making sure the structured data is there, all that stuff. And then having an affiliate program is really cool because you're going to be able to reach out to affiliates to give you traffic for free. And those affiliates are going to put links to your site on their site. So it's going to get you a ton of backlinks, mostly to your homepage, but also collection pages, product pages. And you can do outreach to blogs that are already ranking in your niche for the listicle keywords you want to rank for that are related to your category and your brands and your products. And you can offer them an affiliate program, and oftentimes they'll add you to the listicle for free just because you offer an affiliate commission. So the number one affiliate program I recommend to set up with Shopify, because I use it for my own stores and for my client stores, is UpPromote. UpPromote, Promote. You can go to ecommerceparadise.com/UpPromote and sign up for yourself there. It's free to set up, and then the premium plan is $29 a month. And they have a lot of great things in there. The best thing, in my opinion, about UpPromote versus the other ones is that for a very low price, you can get access to actually an affiliate marketplace as well. So they'll be able to basically send you affiliates, and all you have to do is create your listing by adding your logo and some other thing, and then you'll have a listing on their marketplace, which then you can get affiliates that want to promote your stuff. A lot of affiliates are going to have coupon sites, so they're kind of low quality affiliates, but people oftentimes do look around for coupons before they place an order on a site, and having your coupon on multiple coupon sites usually does help you close sales because people are going to find those coupons, go back to your site, and use them. Okay, so I do recommend working with coupon affiliates, but what I would recommend doing is having different affiliate commissions for different type of affiliates. For the lower quality affiliates, like the coupon, they're not bringing a ton of value to the table, but they do bring some value. So I would maybe offer them like a 2% commission. And then with the affiliates that you want to bring on that have listicles and other things where they provide a lot more like pre-selling value, or maybe YouTubers, Instagrammers, that kind of stuff, I would definitely give them more like 3 to 5% or more, depending on your commissions or your margins that you get from your suppliers. So just keep that in mind. There's different types of affiliates, different value levels that they're going to provide and whatnot. But most of all affiliates are going to provide at least a backlink to your website. So it's just a great way to build links, because otherwise you have to pay for links or do link exchanges and things like that. And it takes a lot of outreach. It takes a lot of negotiations and takes a lot of money. So with affiliate marketing, you can get a lot more links for free. And it's great. So sign up for UpPromote, go through it, just set up your affiliate program. It'll give you a landing page and a link to where you can have your landing page off your website. You can even ask them to make it so you can make it on your website. Then you have to add it to your theme. It's a whole process, but it's not that hard. And you can just set it up with the standard commission to start, and then you can pay for their higher program later to have multiple commissions for different types of affiliates. But you'll be able to check your affiliates list and see all the affiliates and manually approve them, or even just have them automatically approved. It's up to you. You can check the actual referrals that they send you and approve them manually. Make sure that they're not just like ordering for themselves or something like that. You can also set up different payment methods like PayPal and whatnot, direct bank transfer. You can, it's just up to you which one you want to use, either manual payments or in-app payments. You can make different designs for your landing page. You can have different motivations built in, like coupons. You can give affiliates coupon codes they can use. You can share a media gallery with affiliates. Maybe you can have ChatGPT make some custom graphics and stuff like that, and ads that they can place on their site, like banner ads and stuff like that. You can send sample products or gift packages to affiliates. You can give affiliate bonuses for motivation. You can even do outreach through their app. So affiliate recruitment, they give you customer referrals, reward your customers for referring their friends, which is really cool because any happy customer is usually going to refer you anyway. So if you just give them an incentive, that's going to help them to give them a reason to actually do it easily. They also allow multi-level marketing with their affiliate thing, so other affiliates can recruit other affiliates. So like a lot of affiliates have these like best high ticket affiliate program blog posts, right? And so if you make a multi-level marketing thing, you can reach out to those affiliates that have best high ticket affiliate marketing program blog posts and say, hey, I'm going to offer you a multi-level marketing program where you can recruit other affiliates for me, and then you just give them that link, and then they'll usually just put it in their article for free. So that's one of the best things to do. You can also have a marketplace listing again through the app, and so affiliates will just find you through there. And you can email them right through the app. You can also send direct messages to affiliates via the app, which is really cool. They have analytics built in. And the pricing is very affordable. $29 a month gives you most stuff, but the $89 a month then gives you like the rest of like the premium features and whatnot. Also, they do have a additional success fee that they charge on top of the normal fee. So like on the growth plan, $29 a month is 2% success referral sales. So the fee is charged monthly and applies only to sales from approved referrals tracked in the app. So there is that, but they're providing so much value that it kind of makes sense. And you can even just set this up for free if you want. They do have a $0 plan, just includes one program, the affiliate registration page, one coupon per affiliate, 100 bulk emails per day, analytics, 200 new referrals per month, and tracking, and more. So just sign up with their free program, if anything, just to get started, so you can see the value in it, and then move up into one of their more expensive plans later when you want to get more stuff going. But yeah, having an affiliate program and then doing the outreach can get you so many backlinks and get you tons of traffic for free. You just have to give people commissions when you get sales from them, which is really neat, and it helps you to rank better for your entire site in the organic rankings and SEO and LLMs that way, because you're getting featured on other websites and you're getting listicle features as well, which really helps with AI sales. So this is just a great way to do it. I use it for all my clients, use it for my own stores. UpPromote's the best. ecommerceparadise.com/UpPromote. And guys, if you want help with scaling your store or setting one up, go to ecommerceparadise.com. I have a full done-for-you service where we set a store up for you, and I also have done-for-you services for scaling. So ecommerceparadise.com/turnkey and ecommerceparadise.com/scaling. Go check those out. One of the scaling services is setting up this affiliate program for you. So if you want our help, we can do that. And guys, if you are interested in getting traffic to your site that is looking to get like a bulk order or a custom design service or something like that, where you can get orders 10K plus, 15K plus, 30K plus, go check out our high ticket quote request funnel sales page, ecommerceparadise.com/funnels. I can build you out landing pages that get you leads that are looking to pay you a ton of money. You have to do a little bit more work to get them and to close the sales and all that stuff and to manage things. But when you make that much more money per sale, it's definitely worth it. Go check it out, ecommerceparadise.com/funnels. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.